Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for SEO product listings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the products section from the admin dashboard. Select the product you want to optimize for SEO. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview section. Click on Edit Website SEO. In the page title field, include the main keyword for your product. Keep the title concise, ideally under 60 characters. In the meta description field, write a compelling summary that includes relevant keywords. Aim for a length of 150 to 160 characters for optimal display in search results. Next, focus on the URL and handle field. Customize the URL to make it descriptive and keyword-rich. Use hyphens to separate words for better readability. Now, add alt text for any product images. Describe the image using relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Ensure the alt text is clear but not overly stuffed with keywords. Once you finish these adjustments, save the changes. Consider using rich snippets to enhance your SEO results. Implement structured data markup for product details, such as price and availability. Use Shopify apps for schema markup if necessary. Continuously monitor your product listing performance using Shopify Analytics. Make adjustments based on traffic and conversion data. Stay updated on SEO trends to keep your product listings competitive. Regularly refresh your titles and descriptions to align with changing keywords. Engage with customer reviews and encourage feedback to improve listings. Utilize internal linking within your store to guide users effectively. Be consistent with your SEO efforts across all product listings. This ongoing optimization will help improve your search engine ranking over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.